This is the futuristic Eufy S1 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. Some of my favorite features is the always clean mop and the eco clean ozone that is built right into this unit. It has a clean water tank. It has a dirty water tank. It always cleans the mop while it's mopping. And there are so many other features inside this unit, not just the base station, but also inside of the RoboVac. And I love its sleek, futuristic, almost sports car-like design with these curved edges. Let's dive into this.
So let me show you everything that you're going to get with the Eufy S1 Pro. There's a lot of cool features in this S1 Pro Robo Mopping Vac, but look at that roller on the bottom there. That's almost 12 inches of width for the always clean mop. This thing has been tested for 100% cleanless underneath UV lights. It comes well protected, and I love the slim design of the S1 Pro. It has got one of the lowest profiles that I've ever seen. It's got an in and out for dust collection, and it includes the cleaning solution for hardwood floors, which I've got. Has a nice low profile wall outlet and all the accessories and filter replacements, and including a dust bag replacement for your convenience, as well as an additional roller brush if you want to change that out. They've really thought of everything. I love the sleek, almost sports car-like design on this unit, and it is tall, but I'm tall. Most people don't want to bend all the way down to the floor to pick up the dust bag or the water containers. So it's nice that they designed this S1 Pro with a taller profile. So when you're pulling those clean and dirty water bins out, you can actually get them without having to bend all the way down to the floor. One of the things that's difficult to translate here in video form is how efficient a RoboVac can be. So I can tell you straight up that this Eufy S1 Pro, with the feature set that it has, I can tell that Anchor, who owns Eufy, has really put a lot of thought and engineering into this RoboVac. They've really thought of a lot of the pain points that most people experience with other brands of RoboVacs, and I've tried a lot, and they've packed those solutions right here into it. It is very user-centered in its design. I love the LCD touchscreen on the top, the see-through water tanks, the ergonomic, optimal height of the station itself, and that ozone. Let's talk about that ozone for a second, because that eco-clean ozone is really, really cool. It actually sterilizes the water that it's going to go out and mop your floors with. So it doesn't just look pretty, it sterilizes that water so that it is cleaning your floors with ultra clean water and then dispensing it into this dirty water bin. So it separates it out inside of the RoboVac itself, and then when it comes back to the base station, it automatically empties the dirty water into that dirty water tank and then cleans the roller again with about 130 degrees Fahrenheit of water and dries that mop pad. That mop pad is always cleaning itself inside of the RoboVac, and that really is a feature I've never seen or heard of in any other mopping RoboVac. Now, there was a little bit of dust and debris in the base station itself, but nothing was wet. And that's the beauty of it. Yes, there might be a little bit of dust and hair because we do have dogs, but it's back at the base station. So it's as easy as filling up this clean water tank with just regular tap water from the sink. I also like the height of this. It has a large capacity, but I could fill it in the guest bathroom sink at our house. I didn't have to take it all in the kitchen. Super easy. I don't have to bend way over. I just set it right here on the top. It recognizes it that the clean water tank has been installed, and we are ready to go with Fresh Clean. I can control it right from here. I don't have to bend way down to the RoboVac itself. They've really done a good job thinking through these small pain points. I can send it off for a cleaning of the room here, both carpet and hardwood floors. This base station, in my opinion, is one of the best. It has 8,000 pascals of potent suction. It has two side brushes that bring the debris in, and the mopping really is second to none. Like, I really cannot speak enough about how well this mops with that wide roller. Of course, you can connect it up to the mobile app, the Eufy mobile app. The Eufy Clean mobile app is very, very diverse in terms of its feature set and ability to control your RoboVac literally from anywhere in the world. The UniClean station has been well thought out, and I really think it's one of the stars of the show. Yes, the mobile app and all of the features, everything that you can do directly in the mobile app are very, very cool. The fact that there is a camera built into this thing that has one of the best optical avoidance systems, especially with that active binocular infrared image technology. It just really sees everything in the room with such clarity. And one of the key things I want to mention here is that none of these images that it uses from the camera are saved. It only uses it for obstacle avoidance, and Eufy takes your privacy very, very seriously. In fact, it's certified by cybersecurity standards.
Mopping truly is what the Eufy S1 Pro excels at. With that super wide, always clean brush, it's just creatively designed. It covers the floor perfectly. You can see how well it wipes and scrubs this wood floor here as it passes by. And this is just some raw footage for you. I know it's not the prettiest, but I wanted you guys to get a feel for the raw effect of how this Eufy S1 Pro cleans and mops the floor. Of course, vacuuming does phenomenal jobs, great Pascal suction, but that wide, flat, always clean roller style brush really scrubs this floor well while still being gentle on it. I've had no issues with it cleaning my real wood floors here, and you can just see how evenly coated that clean ozonated water, yes, it's been purified and contaminants cleaned out of it, it does so well. And when it comes up on carpet here, it actually senses that, goes back over to the wood floor and continues to mop the actual wood floor. The mop spins at 170 RPMs, which is actually pretty fast, and is continuously cleaned and rinsed by the mix of clean water and detergent. The detergent actually automatically gets installed in, so it doses out the detergent as needed. It's just totally redefining how floors are cleaned, and when it's done, it just automatically goes back to the S1 Pro's very cool looking 10-in-1 UniClean station. It auto empties, washes, and refills everything as needed. Not to mention heated air drying. This thing is a complete floor cleaning solution for your home or office. The Eufy S1 Pro is equipped with self-driving car level obstacle avoidance. I know that sounds crazy, but it actually uses very similar technology as in the self-driving vehicles. In fact, it has a 3D matrix eye, which is really just fancy way of saying that the S1 Pro is equipped with an industry-leading hardware obstacle avoidance system. It has an active binocular infrared camera and an RGB camera, enabling it to perceive 300,000 voxels at once. And just so you know, voxels are three-dimensional pixels. It observes the contours of obstacles from multiple angles and generates dense, real-time colored 3D models. That's what makes this thing so precise in getting edge-to-edge cleaning. It finds the dirt and picks it up. This has been one of the most impressive RoboVacs that I've ever tested, and I can definitely see the innovation that Eufy has put into this RoboVac. There are links in the description of this video where you can get the best possible price on the Eufy S1 Pro. In fact, when they launched this on Kickstarter, it broke records. The people recognized that what Eufy has done with this robo mopping vac is revolutionary. And I think you're going to find out the same thing when you purchase it for your home.
Start dust collection.